Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Square Invoices export for tax category. To download Square Invoices export for tax categories, first, log in to your Square account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Reports section on the left-hand menu. Click on Reports to expand the options available. Next, select the Sales Summary Report. In the Sales Summary Report, look for the Date Range option at the top. Choose the specific date range for which you want to export invoices. After selecting the date range, scroll down to find the Export button. Click on the Export button. A drop-down menu will appear with various export options. Select the CSV format for your export file. The CSV format is ideal for tax categorization and analysis. Once selected, confirm your export settings. Click on Download to initiate the export process. Your invoice data will begin downloading as a CSV file. Locate the downloaded file on your computer. Open the CSV file using a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Once opened, review the columns for relevant tax category data. You can now categorize your invoices based on your tax requirements. Make any necessary changes to suit your tax documentation needs. Finally, save the updated CSV file if you modified any data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.